The iPhone 17 Pro, released in September 2025, represents Apple's latest flagship smartphone, with a camera system that's evolved into a versatile computational photography powerhouse. In contrast, the Canon EOS ND is a 2019 mid-range APS-C DSLR camera, designed as a dedicated tool for enthusiasts and semi-professionals, emphasizing interchangeable lenses and raw optical performance. While the iPhone 17 Pro is a multi-purpose device, the EOS 90D is purely a camera body, requiring separate lenses. This comparison focuses on their photography and videography capabilities, drawing from official specs and reviews. We'll evaluate key aspects like image quality, lenses, autofocus, video, ergonomics, portability, battery life, price, and ecosystem integration to determine the best choice. Spoiler, it depends on your needs, but one edges out for most users. 1. Image quality and sensor performance. The Canon's APS-C sensor, crop factor 1x, is significantly larger than the iPhone's stacked sensors, delivering superior low-light performance, dynamic range, and natural bokeh without heavy processing. At base ISO, the EOS 90D captures 32.5 MP RAW files with excellent detail and color science, ideal for prints up to 24-36 inches. Its pixel size, 3.2 mm, allows better light gathering than the iPhone's smaller pixels. Main 0.22 mm bend, native 0.61 mm, reducing noise and shadows. Reviews show the 90D outperforming smartphones in ISO 3200+ scenarios. Conversely, the iPhone 17 Pro's triple 48 MP fusion system uses computational magic, photonic engine, deep fusion, smart HDR5 to punch above its sensor size. It excels in high-contrast scenes with night mode, multi-frame stacking, and produces vibrant, ready-to-share JPEGs. Pro RAW mode unlocks 48 MP RAW editing, but dynamic range, AIA 12 stops, lags the Canon's 13.5 stops. In control tests, e.g., DxOMark scores 155 for iPhone 17 Pro versus historical A85 for 90D equivalent, the iPhone wins for everyday snap-and-go quality, but the Canon shines for critical work like landscapes or portraits where optical purity matters. Winner, Canon EOS 90D for raw image fidelity, iPhone for processed versatility. 2. Lens options and flexibility. The EOS 90D's interchangeable EF/EFS mount is its biggest strength. Pair it with primes, e.g. 50mm f1.8 for creamy bokeh, or telephotos, e.g. 100 to 400 mm for wildlife, for endless adaptability. The 1.66 crop aids reach without quality loss, and lens complements the body. The iPhone 17 Pro's fixed array simulates 8 focal lengths, 13mm ultra wide to 200mm tele via 5x tetraprism, with macro, 2 cm focus, and 2x portrait crop. It's sharp edge-to-edge thanks to lens corrections, but zoom beyond 5x relies on digital cropping, introducing noise. No swapping lenses means no ultra-fast apertures, e.g. f1.4, for astrophotography. Winner, Canon EOS 90D unmatched modularity for specialized shooting. 3. Autofocus and speed both use dual-pixel tech, but the iPhone's LiDAR scanner enables faster, more accurate subject tracking, people, pets, vehicles, in low light with eye detection across all lenses. It locks in extra point ones for video, supporting 10 FPS bursts with zero shutter lag. The ID's 5-point phase detect system, optical VF, is reliable for action, up to 10 FPS. With predictive tracking up to AESA, live view AF is solid but slower, HE.3s without LiDAR. It's better for manual focus aids, peaking, magnification. Winner: iPhone 17 Pro for speed and AI smarts in dynamic scenes. 4. Video capabilities. The iPhone dominates here. 4K 120 FPS Dolby Vision with ProRes RAW, cinematic mode, rack focus, action mode stabilization, and external ProRes recording via USB-C. Spatial video for Vision Pro and Log 2 Gamma offer pro workflows with 4 mics for spatial audio. Slow-mo hits 240 FPS at 1080p. The HDD's 4K 30p is uncropped but lacks advanced codecs, H.264 only, with Full HD 120p for slow MO. Dual pixel AF works well, but no in-body stabilization means reliance on gimbals. It's fine for basic B-roll, but outdated for 20:5 standards. Winner: iPhone 17 Pro, leaps ahead for creators and filmmakers. 5. Ergonomics, build, and portability. The 90D's DSLR grip and optical EVF provide a tactile, pro feel for long shoots, with a vari-angle LCD for vlogging. At 701G, body plus lens, 1 kilo in total, it's bulky but weather-sealed, dust, moisture-resistant. This iPhone's titanium build is pocketable, 9G, with a bright OLED for instant review but no physical controls, relies on touch gestures. It's IP68 rated but lacks the 90D's dedicated dials for precise exposure tweaks. Winner: Canon for dedicated handling, iPhone for on-the-go ease. 6. Battery life and storage. The iPhone's integrated battery lasts 600 photos or 20 hours mixed use with wireless charging. Fixed storage, up to 1 TB. It is seamless but pricey to upgrade. The 90D's swappable LPE6N yields 1,400 plus shots with dual UHS-2 SD slots for RAID-like redundancy. Ideal for events. Winner: Canon EOS 90D for endurance in fieldwork. 7. Price and value. At launch, the iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,009 but includes a full smartphone. Ecosystem value. iMessage, apps, 5G. The 90D body is $1,109 new, or $900 used, but at $200 retainers for lenses, pushing total over $1,500. Winner: iPhone for all-in-one value. 8. Ecosystem and additional features. The iPhone integrates with Apple's suite: Photos app editing, AirDrop, Final Cut Pro, plus AI tools like photographic styles. The 90D pairs with Canon software, TPP for RAW, and accessories, grips, flashes, but lacks phone perks like instant sharing. Which one is the best choice? For dedicated photographers, e.g. wildlife, portraits, prints, the Canon EOS 90D is the superior pick. Its larger sensor, lens flexibility, and optical purity deliver professional results that computational tricks can't fully replicate, especially at a now affordable price. It's built for growth with Canon's vast lens ecosystem. However, for most users, casual shooters, vloggers, or those wanting a do-it-all device, the iPhone 17 Pro is the best choice. Its camera rivals and often beats the 90D in convenience, video prowess, and AI-enhanced output, all without lugging extra gear. In 2025, smartphones have closed the gap dramatically. Unless you need interchangeable optics, the iPhone's portability and integration make it the smarter, more future-proof investment. If your workflow involves heavy editing or specific lenses, test both. But the iPhone wins for 80% of scenarios.